Mama said knock you out. We totally did it at the same time.
She thought I texted me. I got a child in my lap. I'm not a son, I'm not sweetheart.
Is that lightning? Does that say lightning on her shirt?
I didn't say anything.
Or does it say it on her shirt?
Oh, on her shirt. Oh.
On the picture shirt, that's the only one I'm looking at.
Oh.
Besides the one with the pink helmet thingamabobby.
Yeah. It does.
Oh.
And it makes sense. Kind of purple and white. Ooh.
Oh, she got a piece of that. A little bit.
You understand how I said that she's the rowdiest out of all of them now?
Yeah. Oh, that was pretty good.
Look at her. You know? Pretty good, girl.
They're doing that to distract them, aren't they?
People are texting me. Why are people texting me?
Oh, yeah, she got a piece of that. Run, 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 run.